friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the rationalizing search. So this method is very simple. You can apply this method any question which are related to rationalizing of search. First, we will start the theory of this topic. So how we can start it? Like for example, we have a question which is related to like this one: a plus b root c, right? This type of question we have. So how we can solve it? This question in if we have the search in the denominator. So this is very simple. You can apply rationalization method here for solving the denominator. Here we have, in order to rationalize a denominator of the form of a plus b root c. Like this one, we have a plus b root c. If we have, or you can have a minus b root c. Like this way, you can have another question like a minus b root c. Let's suppose you have these type of questions. So how we can simplify these questions? We multiply both numerator and denominator by conjugating factor. Like if we have this one, so we have the conjugate of this question is a minus b root c. And if we have question a minus b root c, so we have the conjugate of this one is this, right? So you can multiply, like we can say, you can multiply conjugate of this terms, you see a minus b root c. So in the numerator and denominator, you multiply both terms by conjugating factor. Similarly, in this case, a plus b root c, a plus b root c, right? So if we multiply both of them, so we get the answer like this way: a plus b root c, a minus b root c, right? And you can multiply a minus b root c here, right? And after that, you can simplify this term also similar way: a plus b root c, right? And we get a plus b root c here. So now we can apply formula of a plus b and multiply by a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. Similar to here, a minus b is a plus b, and we get the answer is a square minus b square. So similar this expression, we will apply this formula here. We will get a square. You can directly say like a square, right? B square. B is this one, so b root c whole square, right? And in numerator we have similar expression, right? So now we can simplify like this way: a minus b root c and a square minus b square, and the radical sign cancel from this square. We get the b square minus c. For this question, we have similar one: a plus b root c and a square minus b root c whole square, right? And similar way, we have the answer of this question is a square minus b square, and cancel radical sign with square is b square minus b square multiplied by c, right? So this is the answer. So what we get here, the denominator, what we get here is denominator is free from search, right? Same here. There is no search in the denominator. So what we get, the theory is related to by using this method, we eliminate the radical and obtain denominator free of any search. So you can see like these examples are free of any search in the denominator. So you can apply this method in any question which are related to simplification of search, which has the denominator search in the denominator. Today we will follow class 9 Sindh textbook, which we have some questions here. We will simplify these questions. So you can use any book for simplification of this art, because the method is same and question may be different. So in exam or in any simplification, you can apply this method. So rationalization denominator of the following, we will follow this book. It is Sindh textbook of class 9, and exercise we have 3.4 question number 2. Okay class, so we are here is following class 9 Sindh textbook unit 3 3.4 question number 2. You can follow any book which has the question is rationalization of denominator of the following. So first question in this book is question number 1. Question number 1 is 1 upon root 2 plus 10. Now we have to simplify this question. So what we can do is, first we will take conjugate of this expression and multiply from these conjugate in the denominator and numerator. So what we can do here is root 2 plus 10 multiplied by root 2 minus 10 and root 2 minus 2. So this called is rationalization of search, right? So we can simplify here by formula root 2 plus 10 multiplied by root 2 minus 10. Because we have the multiplying sign, so we can multiply this term and we can multiply this term. So we have in the numerator is root 2 minus 10, right? And after that, we simplify this one is like this way: we will apply here algebraic formula, which is root 2 whole square minus 10 whole square, right? So this one is a minus b multiplied by a plus b, which is equals to a square minus b square, right? After that, we get answer is root 2 minus 10 upon 2, because radical sign cancel from the 2, and 10 10 the 100, right? And after that, we get this answer is 98. But the sign is minus. After that, we get minus 98 because the sign is minus from the 100. From 100, we have minus sign, so we get the minus 98, right? So this is the answer of this question, right? I hope you understand this method. Okay, now we have another question. This question is similar to above question, question number 1. So we will skip this question and now we will solve question number 3. So question number 3 is 1 upon 4 root 3 minus 3 root 6. So, okay, in this question, okay, now we can simplify from this way, like we can get the minus sign from above equation, like we get the 10 minus root 2, because we get the minus common from numerator. So we get the answer is 98 minus cancel from this minus and get the answer is 10 root 2 98, right? So this is the answer of this one. Okay, now we have another question. Question number 2 is similar from this question number 1. So we will simplify question number 3. Question number 3 is 1 upon 4 root 3 minus 3 root 6, right? Now we can do here, we can simplify this method similar way, like conjugate of this term and multiply from numerator and denominator, like 4 root 3 plus 3 root 6, 4 root 3 plus 3 root 6, right? And after that, we will simplify these terms, like 4 root 3 minus 3 root 6, right? Multiply by 4 root 3 plus 3 root 6, right? And above, we can multiply these terms, 4 root 3 plus 3 root 6, right? Now we can apply a minus b multiplied by a plus b, right? So then we can solve it like this way, 4 root 3 plus 3 root 6 upon 4 root 3 whole square minus 3 root 6 whole square, right? We can simplify this term like this way, 3 4 root 3 3 root 6, right? And after that, we can get 4 4 is 16 and 3 cancel from this one, minus 3 3 is 9, multiply by 6, right? Get answer 4 root 3 plus 3 root 6 upon 6 13 the 16 13 the 48 minus 9 6 the 56, right? 56 54, sorry, 54. 9 4 the 54, right? And after that, we get 4 root 3 plus 3 root 6. And if we minus both of them, so we get the minus 6 answer. So this is the answer of this question. Or you can say like this one, minus 4 root 3 plus 3 root 6 upon. So this is the answer of this question, right? So question number 3 and 4 are similar ones. So you can solve for this of this question. We will solve now, right now is 5, which is different from other question, 9 plus root, right? Now we can simplify these terms very easily. What we do is, in this set is 9 plus root 2. First, we will take the conjugate of this set like this way. 9 minus root 2 is same, 9 plus root 2. And after that, we will simplify 9 minus root 2, 9 minus root 2 here, right? In above term, we get 9 minus root 2 whole square, because we have two terms here. So basis same and power add. And here we have 9 plus root 2 multiplied by 9 minus root 2, right? We can simplify this term, 9 whole square minus root 2 whole square, right? And 9 minus root 2 is square. Now we have this question. We will apply this formula in the numerator, like a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? And in denominator, we can apply a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, now simplify these terms. 9 whole square minus formula to now 9 multiplied by root 2, and then 2 root square. 9 nines are 81 minus 2, cancel from the radical sign is 2. 9 nines are 81, then 2 nines are 18 root 2, and here we get the 2 here. 81 minus 2 is 79, and in the above equation 81 plus 2 is 83 minus 18 root 2. In denominator we have this 79, so the answer is 83 minus 18 root 2 upon 79. So this is the answer of this question. So this question is very easily you can solve if you have similar these type of question in any exam or any question. So now question number 7 is similar of this question. So we will skip this question. Now we will solve it. Question number 8, which is very which is similar to above question, right? Then we will solve question number 9, right? So now we will simplify question number 6 is similar. Like question number 7 is similar. This one, so we have question number 8. Question number is 15 upon 7 minus 2 root 5, right? So we will apply similar method here. So you see, this question is simplified like this way. So this is very easy. You can see this example. We have another example. Now we will solve this question number 9, which is very similar to question number 1 and 2. So we will solve very quickly here this. So see, this question is very simple. We solve it. Question number last question is question number 10, which is very similar of question number 9. So you can solve it very easily. I hope you understand the method of the rationalization of the surds. So we will we have another in next class we will solve it some complex equation of rationalization method. So first please follow our channel and like and share our video so you can learn and other can also learn the rationalization of the surd. We will meet in next class. Till now, bye bye.